Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. I don't actually know what is in here, so figured I'd get it on camera and open it up. Hopefully it's something related, watch related or whatever. So let's check it out. See what's in here. Okay, so it's my Olight order. I could not tell from the label what was in here. I actually ordered 4 lights, 2 of the same. I ordered the Warrior Mini and then this S2R Baton 2 flashlight. The Merry Christmas card, whatever that's. So, yeah, this actually I just wanted to order the Warrior 2 Mini, and then they had like a deal. If you spent $40 more, you got a free light or whatever. So I ordered one of these too. Actually, I already have one of these. I have it's a green one. Let's see if I can open this up without tearing up the box too bad. There we go. Let's take a look at this thing together, and this other one, I don't know what I'm going to do with these. I got a couple of more of these too with the order I did for Black Friday. I think I have like 4 of these now. I'll probably just sell them or whatever. No, there we go. Yeah, this is a good light. Very good light for pocket carry, everyday use. Not sure if I'm going to keep this as a spare or I might just sell it. So anyway, just a quick little unboxing here. Quite a few of these Olights. I may do a review in the future. I have not reviewed any flashlights yet. Mainly just a watch channel guy, and every once in a while I'll go over knives and some woodworking stuff. So anyway, just a quick little unboxing video. Thank you for watching, and catch you on the next video. Alright, so I figured I'd go over the specs of this real quick. Also, this is the Olight S2R Baton 2. So here's the specs. It has a turbo mode. Click it 3 times and it does strobe function, really bright light. Then it has the high at 400 lumen, medium 120, low is 15, and then it has the moonlight setting as well. And this has the I think it's the 1860 battery. This is it on here or not? So anyway, and then let's go over the specs of this one real quick. The i3T EOS. I don't think I'll use these at all. So 180 lumen, and then 5 lumen. 21 minutes on the high there, using I think it's just a AA battery. I have one of these too that I got with the Black Friday sale. I use this for shining on my watches just to get them charged up for the Lume shot. And then I had, let's see if I have the other one here. I had a smaller one that just kept going through batteries. So I wanted a little bit larger of a UV light. I don't know where that smaller one is at. Oh, here it is. So I was using this to charge up the watches for my Lume review, Lume shot, whatever. But like I said, it just keeps going through the batteries. i3 UV EOS. I don't understand their naming necessarily. I5 UVEOS. So anyway, a little more information on the unboxing here. All right, as always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.